YouTube, what's going on? It's about Legendary Joes today. You guys can see what this is. I'm going to give you guys a POV drive. POV drive in the Charger, the Dodge Charger 2019. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe in the video. This channel is specifically about cars and stuff and whatnot, so make sure you guys stay tuned. And let's go ahead and get this thing going. This is a 2019 Dodge Charger. If anybody was wondering what it is, it's a 2019 Dodge Charger. It's not anything crazy. I do have track modes and whatnot in here, so, and also a custom steering wheel. Okay, then you snapping. Big Mopar. This is actually my very first POV in track mode. I've never done it before. This is actually the very first one. This thing sound crazy right now. I ain't gonna cap. Let me hear downshift. Downshift is low-key quiet, I ain't gonna care. One thing I can say, because I didn't always have the SRT mode in my car. The car does shift a little later than what it usually shifts in whenever I'm speeding up. So that's one thing I can already see, like the difference between what I used to drive on is that the shifting is shifting a little later than what it used to in track mode. Come on, light. I hate waiting on the light, but it's the worst thing. Thank you. Let me pull over and show you guys the car. Come on, light. Thank you. show you guys the car. Oh! It's windy. You guys can see it. This is the car right here. This is the whip. Nothing crazy right now. Let's go. Hold on. It's a seatbelt going off. Hold on, give me a second. Let me put it on. As you guys can see, I have a lot more stuff planning on for the car and whatnot. Like, almost definitely. I got a lot more stuff coming. For the car. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna just turn around. So you guys can hear it. Thing does sound crazy though, I ain't gonna care. I'm sorry if it's too windy for you guys. I don't know if you guys can hear it, because it sounds super windy outside and whatnot. Let's go right. Thing popping, boy. I would have turned right and give you guys a pull, but that car is gonna be in their way. So I'm gonna just turn right here. But she has the police stations right here. I'm going to end a little POV right here. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.